Embracing butter, unveiling its health benefits and culinary wonders. Butter, a beloved ingredient in kitchens worldwide, has endured centuries of culinary appreciation and controversy. From its rich flavor and creamy texture to its role in both traditional and modern cooking, butter remains a staple in many households. Beyond its culinary allure, butter also offers a range of surprising health benefits that may challenge conventional wisdom. Let's explore the nutritional composition, health advantages, and ways to incorporate butter into a balanced diet. A brief history of butter. Butter's origins can be traced back over 4,000 years, with its discovery likely stemming from the practice of storing milk in animal skins, which turned the cream into butter through agitation. Ancient civilizations, including those in Mesopotamia and Egypt, valued butter not only as a food source but also for its medicinal and ceremonial purposes. Over time, butter became a symbol of prosperity and nourishment across cultures, evolving from a luxury item to a kitchen essential. Its versatility in cooking, baking, and flavor enhancement has solidified its place in culinary traditions worldwide. Nutritional composition of butter. Butter is primarily composed of milk fat, derived from churning cream or fermented milk. While its exact nutritional profile can vary slightly based on factors like the animal source cow, goat, sheep and production methods, butter typically contains saturated fats. About 63% of the fats in butter are saturated, which contributes to its solid consistency at room temperature. Vitamins. Butter is a good source of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K2, especially when derived from grass-fed cows. Minerals. It contains trace amounts of minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Fatty acids. Butter contains short-chain and medium-chain fatty acids, which are easier to digest compared to long-chain fatty acids found in many vegetable oils. Health benefits of butter. Contrary to popular belief, butter offers several health benefits when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. 1. Rich source of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin D, crucial for bone health, immune function, and hormone regulation. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin K2, supports bone health and cardiovascular health by regulating calcium metabolism. These vitamins are better absorbed when consumed with fats, making butter an ideal carrier for their delivery. 2. Supports brain health. The saturated fats in butter, particularly those with shorter chains, are easily metabolized by the brain and contribute to neurological function and cognitive health. Butter contains cholesterol, which is vital for the formation of brain cell membranes and the production of neurotransmitters. 3. Provides energy. Butter is calorie-dense and provides a quick source of energy due to its high fat content. It is particularly useful in ketogenic and low-carb diets where fat serves as a primary energy source. 4. May improve heart health. Emerging research suggests that moderate consumption of butter, especially from grass-fed sources, may not adversely affect heart health as previously thought. The balance of saturated fats in butter and their effects on cholesterol levels vary among individuals, and more studies are needed to understand their specific impact. 5. Promotes absorption of nutrients. The fats in butter aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K and other nutrients present in foods consumed together. 6. Contributes to skin health. Butter contains fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins that moisturize and nourish the skin when applied topically or consumed internally. Types of butter and their differences. The quality and nutritional profile of butter can vary based on several factors, including grass-fed butter, derived from cows that primarily graze on grass. This type of butter tends to have a higher concentration of beneficial nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, conjugated linoleic acid CLA, and fat-soluble vitamins. Organic butter, produced without synthetic pesticides or antibiotics. Organic butter offers a cleaner option for those concerned about agricultural practices. Conventional butter, produced from grain-fed cows. Conventional butter is more widely available and may have a different nutrient profile compared to grass-fed varieties. Incorporating butter into a healthy diet. While butter is a calorie-dense food, it can be part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation. Here are some tips for incorporating butter healthily. Use in cooking. Use butter for sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or searing meats to enhance flavor and promote nutrient absorption. Baking. Butter adds richness and moisture to baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries. Spreading. Enjoy butter on whole grain bread, toast, or crackers for a delicious snack or breakfast option. Flavor enhancement: use butter as a finishing touch on steamed vegetables or pasta dishes for added richness and flavor. Clarified butter ghee, a nutrient-dense alternative. Clarified butter, or ghee, is another form of butter that has been heated to remove milk solids, leaving behind pure butter fat. Ghee offers a high smoke point, making it suitable for cooking at higher temperatures without burning. It retains many of the health benefits of butter, including fat-soluble vitamins and conjugated linoleic acid (CLA), while being lactose-free and potentially easier to digest for those with dairy sensitivities. Considerations and precautions: despite its benefits, butter should be consumed in moderation due to its high saturated fat content, which can contribute to elevated cholesterol levels in some individuals. Those with existing heart conditions or cholesterol concerns should consult with a healthcare provider about their butter consumption. Conclusion: butter, often celebrated for its culinary prowess, also offers a surprising array of health benefits when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. From its rich concentration of fat-soluble vitamins to its role in brain health and energy provision, butter has earned its place as a versatile and nutritious food choice. By understanding its nutritional profile and incorporating it wisely into meals, individuals can savor the flavor and reap the benefits of this ancient yet timeless ingredient.